You know what a subscription is. Heck, we've been subscribing to magazines since the 17th century. But here's the catch. You don't sell magazines. You sell medical supplies. But TIMS version 8 is bringing the subscription model to your business with Patient Resupply. We're looking forward to all the potential uses that this model can bring to the table. At the forefront, Patient Resupply is going to complete all your patient qual checks overnight, which should free up your staff's time to take care of more personal interactions with your customers. Soon, we're hoping to launch an add-on that will automate the confirmation process, which will give you other opportunities to inform your customers. Having been proactively reached out to instead of reacting to a customer's call, your staff can now use these small interactions to inform customers of new or other goods and services that you offer, as well as getting a customer's authorization without any work on you or your team's end. Lastly, your customers are as diverse as your business, so there's going to be exceptions. But now, you don't have to waste any time hunting them down, sorting between whose bill needs to be paid or who's being held up for pay authorization. And you can put that energy towards strengthening the relationship you have with your existing customers. We know that client acquisition is expensive, and we want you to be able to focus on maintaining the relationships that you have instead of chasing loose ends. TIMS version 8 Patient Resupply offers a treasure trove of benefits waiting for you to unlock. If you're interested in learning more about how the overnight qual checks work, click there. Or if you want to know more about exceptions, click over here.